I'm Jeff Slate, and I'm a singer-songwriter from New York City.
Even if I didn't have you, but I got a voice screaming in my head.
I hooked up with a great band of guys, and it happened sort of by accident.
Got a heart, broken man tone, pumping to the beat of this song. Now come along, baby, forgive me. Please forgive me.
I met Steve Holley, who was formerly in Wings and plays with Ian Hunter, and he's played with Joe Cocker. And he's just a phenomenal drummer. And I had some songs I wanted to demo, and we went in and demoed them, and it was a great experience.
It's a lucky day sunset, and I'm dreaming of coming home to you.
Most of the tracks were cut pretty live. We've got a lot of guests. We've got Gene Parsons from the Byrds and Lawrence Juber, who was also in Wings with Steve. And Simon Townsend from The Who is on it, and Josh Phillips from Procol Harum plays organ on one track. But the band is pretty much the band. Gary from Elephant's Memory and Adam Ippolito from Elephant's Memory Band, who played with John Lennon, and then Jimmy Mack, the guitar player from New York City.
Pushing on gas, pushing hard as I can, trying to be cool, trying to be a man.
We're rehearsing for live shows and a tour this summer, and the record should be out in plenty of time for that, and I hope everyone comes to see us.
Taking that girl, going right up to heaven.